Good morning, friends. So today we are going to start a new topic. It is projections. So till now what we discussed, it is regarding first unit. Those are all different methods, constant methods, and that we can solve by standard method. But from here, whatever the coming 4 units are there, remaining 4 units of engineering graphics or engineering drawing, it is depends on projection only. So if you understand the projection, what is projection, the basics of the projection, so you can solve remaining coming 4 units. So this video is very important. If you understand this carefully, and coming 2 to 3 supported videos, if you listen carefully, then you can go for any type of problem. You can solve any type of problem. So first we will discuss regarding projection. What is projection actually? Projection means if any object is there, if you see to your eyes, why? Because if that object is visible means we are observing with our eyes only. Suppose example, this object I am keeping here, it is visible to you. Okay. So this, whatever the shape is there, that shape is visible. Otherwise I will show the some other object. Suppose this is the object. Either I can keep like that or I can keep like that. Okay, so if you see this object, it looks to your eyes in this rectangular shape. Okay, this black portion you can see here, rectangular shape. So but what is there in the behind of this? It is not visible. So back side is there, suppose some other different shape, it is not visible. So whatever the portion is visible to your eyes, it is called front view. We can call it is front view. To your eyes, whatever the figure is visible exactly, that shape is called front view. We can call it is front view. And what is the back side of this? It is there. It is not visible. Okay. So we can call it is front view. New term is front view. And next one is if you observe from the top. So from the top, this only line is visible. This total shape is not visible. That's why it is called top view. Why? Because you are observing from top view. That's why we are calling it is top view. Okay. So 2 terms we learn here. One is front view and second one is top view. 2 terms. Okay. So I will show here. Suppose this is the object. If you are observing here, so it falls on some, assume that some reference plane is there or on the board. I will clearly give information in the next video. So assume that just blindly you see here, object is there and this portion is visible. Okay, this portion is visible and we want to project somewhere. Where we have to project? We cannot project opposite. We cannot project somewhere. To your eyes it is visible. This portion is visible. So it is fall on some other plane or on the board. So like that, it is exactly falling here, and what I am doing, just I am showing whatever the portion is there, same thing I am drawing here. Okay, so this shape is visible. How it is visible? Whether it is visible from the front view or top view? Why? Because to you, your eyes it is front view. That's why we can call it is front view. Enough. It is front view. So one term is over. So whatever to your eyes visible portion is there, that we are projecting on the board, technically we are calling it is plane. Reference plane, or we can call it is reference plane. So it is projecting on the reference plane. So that is front view. Why? Because you are observing from the front, so front view is visible. Okay, so this is front view. Very good. And if you observe from the top, so this top only the line is visible. If you observe from like that, the only top view this line is visible. So whatever this line is visible, where it is falling? If you observe from the top, it falls on the ground. Why? Because if you observe from the front, it is falling exactly, it is projecting and falling here. But if you observe from the top, same object is there here. If you observe from the top, this line is visible, but this line falls on the ground. So technically we can call it is, ground means ground on the falls on the ground. So on the ground what is falling? The line is falling. But what is the line? It is top view. So front view is over, top view is over. So we are calling here, drawing is a international language. What is international language? Entire world, they are following one convention. That's why some rules and regulations are there. Why? Because somebody they will draw top view here, somebody they will draw front view here, somebody they will draw here, or some different situation. 60 students are there in the school or college, so they are going for 60 methods. So who is manufacturer is there? They will not understand clearly. That's why one standard procedure is there to draw this front view, top views. Okay. So like that we have different views are there. Front view, top view, side view, rear view, that side view, left side view, right side view, like that. So many views are there. But you don't get confusion. I will give clear information in the next video. But you must familiar with this word. One word we learn here. One is front view. And second one is top view. And next one is front view falls on where it is falling. Front view falls on board, blackboard. Front view falls on blackboard, or we can call it as reference plane, blackboard. And top view falls on ground. Okay. So what we call this blackboard and what is the meaning of this ground and how can we call in the technical term, in the drawing, how can we call? Okay. So blackboard we can call, this blackboard we can call, why? Because the vertical is there, so we can call it is vertical plane. And this ground we can call it is horizontal, it is there, ground. So we can call it is horizontal plane. Okay. So you must familiar with these 4 words here in this video, and I will give in the next video I will give clear information. Front view, top view, vertical plane and horizontal plane. So these 4 words only we learned here. Okay. And remaining thing we will see in the next video. So these 4 points are very important. So front view falls on vertical plane and top view falls on horizontal plane. This is our conclusion. Okay. Same thing we will continue in the next video. So thank you for your support. So if you see the next video, you will get some more basics of this planes, projections. Okay. Thank you. So please share this video to your friends, and if anything, if you want clear information, please drop me in the form of comments. Okay. And subscribe the channel and wait for next video. Thank you. Thanks once again.